Yung heart
Ayan.
na puti.
Hindi niya kaya yung kanyang ginawa kanina na ibon. Kasi
Maduduling,
nga,
duduling ako.
matrabaho tapos nakakaduling. Kaya ang gagawin niya na lang is heart.
Red white. Ito na talaga yung red white. Nasabihan
Red
na yung
white.
puso mo is malinis. Malinis sa kapwa mong tao. Kaya pag black naman, medyo may halong satanas. Pag black.
Dapat mayroon kayong pang ganyan, na parang
Yung ano
gunting.
nagkilitiliman, oo.
Ayan.
Nakailang na gano'n nagbinigay sa kanya is nawawala ma. Pumunta kami sa masjid noon. Yung pinagawa niya sa bata. Pinulot-pulot ko isa-isa yung ganito. Nagos ng diliit kasi. Mainit. Hindi pa yun siya.
Ha?
Ang cellphone ba? Ulala. Ulala. Ang puso ko'y dumudurog sa'yo. Nagpapakumbaba't nagsusumamo. Siyang nalaman. Picture what?
Papapunta na yung
What you will write?
Ate Lisa is preparing now.
Joe? What you will write? You finish?
Ganda.
Nice.
That is polystyrene.
I don't need you, okay?
This will say. What you will write for this? What you will write to see?
Polystyrene.
What?
Where is that paper? This one is Arab English. Yeah, this one. Polystyrene.
Wait.
Take time talaga siya. Kailangan mo ng pasensya. Mahaba-habang pasensya.
Ito yung pinapanganap nila sa akin kung saan yung iba. Marami silang ganun. Pero, ay, naku, pag nagtapon ko sa baba, Diyos ni Yosef. Nakakasawang ano ba. May 1 KD na siya. Magbinta yan, tignan mo. Negosyante yan eh.
Ito negosyante.
Ha? Pagawain niya yung mga nani niya, tapos ibinta niya ha.
Tingnan mo. Kamay mo dyan, hindi makita.
Tingnan ko ito. Sige mo, nagphotographer na siya doon.
If someone will pay you, for example, 1KD, 500 pills for you, 500 pills for Ate Lisa. Because Ate Lisa is the one preparing it for you. You cannot sell without Ate Lisa, right? Or no?
Give me. Dada, what you will write? I write polystyrene and there is no something like this.
Ikaw ang maghanap eh.
I write.
Anong gawin?
Kayo,
No, what you will write now?
How to make polystyrene.
No.
Yeah, wala.
You know, I write polystyrene and see what.
do you write Palestine?
No, I just write polystyrene.
CPPP.
Si Pilimon na magkasakaregatan, nagkakuha ng isdang malakihan.
Si Pilimon, na mahukaragatan. Kumahin ng isda.
Ito na.
Pero may tinik na pala. Puti pa lang yung inaano ko.
Yeah.
Ayun o. See, I'm telling you.
Because I write it not cut. That's why it's big as this.
I'm telling
See?
you.
Let's see what.
Ayan.
Yan, marunong ka.
I will show them. I will show to my friends. Come here. Ito yung mga...
Mario! See, he can make Mario! See?
Hoy, wag mo akong damay dyan. Mario mo.
See?
No. Thank you.
Let's see this video.
Thank you.
Tingin siya dyan ng gagayahin niya ba?
Walking on.
Kanino ito? Kanino bigyan ni Yusuf to?
Benta niya.
See?
Matrabaho pala ito.
See? Wait. See, he makes like this.
I'm telling you, show it to me so that I will show it to my friends also.
You see?
But you don't
See,
want.
again, we need this one then. Milgat.
Sino Milgat yun?
The Milgat one.
Bilgat.
And it's a mix that like this one and put here.
You know, Bilga?
Okay, can I sit my place?
Where is your place? This is our place.
Okay, can you give me one a place?
Okay, remove it. Because I'm gonna show this one to my friends. I'll tell here that Yusuf don't want me to show to you all my friends what is possibility to make like this.
Jana, she don't want to give me
No,
place.
no.
I
I want.
tell her, if you want, I show your friend, give me a place.
No,
She don't
no.
want
But
to give me
I was
place. Now
I want to see in the what where in the iPad, but said no.
Say no.
Yes, wala. Now I'm going to show them only the one Ate Lisa is
Let's
preparing.
make rugby.
Then make ragi by yourself.
Yung ragi ng mo kunin mo. Managkit na yun. Naintindihan na yun.
Okay, see Yalla. What you want for tea?
Palapit ng
See,
malapos.
Yalla.
Nangawit na yung ano ko,
Friend,
Yusef.
see Jana, she don't want
Okay.
to show. See?
Tell them what do you want to see.
What do you want to see?
Ito yung mga posibilidad na pwedeng gawin. Ang dami pala.
This one, all of them.
Yes.
Not all of them.
Flowers, t-shirts,
Oh, juice also.
sauce,
And Mario.
Mario,
And Pokemon balls.
Pokemon balls.
Balls. And
Ang
turtles.
dami.
We make all these turtles.
When?
We make.
Wala.
Oh.
And
No,
we are back here in Ate Lisa's work
Because
because
too much white.
it's too much white. She has to remove
We'll make ice cream.
some of the whites. What?
We'll make ice cream something like this.
Okay.
But Mama Adi don't want to buy. I want a heart.
Wait. Ate Lisa's doing something.
I will
Wala ka ng
make
red?
this one.
Naubos na yung binigay.
This one I tell you we buy it from IKEA.
Which one?
This one, all the Pokemon balls.
Wala.
This one is all the Pokemon balls. No.
Tapos,
No, that one.
nagoy. Naputong na.
Yan, saan na?
This one. I want
Ay, palapit na yung matapos, kailangan nang i-on yung
See, show them what I will make.
plants.
Oh, see what we can make, see?
We can make also as a ring. Will you marry me?
Never ever.
Ha!
We will make a ring that then we will give to our friends.
Never.
Can
They
you
will
be my
make
friend?
something like this.
Ay, open na doon kaya Yusef.
Close the door, close the door.
Yan na. Because someone's coming.
Show your friends what I will make.
No, wait, go to close.
Okay, first show.
Mm.
I will make this
Which one?
kind.
Tell them.
Okay, but then I will.
Ragi ah. I like the ragi. Wala.
Ayun na. Tansahin niyo yan.
Hilay-hilay lang. Hilay-hilay lang. Hilay-hilay lang.
Maybe I will make them. Maybe I will make them.
Sino maybe?
You make or Ate Lisa will make? Ate
Wala,
Lisa
I'm
sa?
tired na.
Ate Lisa sa? Tapos, ayan na. Hintayin lang na lumamig. Ayan. O, diba? Tapos na. It's a heart. Ayan. I'll give my heart to you for today's video. Yun lang, bye-bye. And
Just wait,
masalamat.
man.